New summer reading for week 24th to 30th May by Valerie Shang. The following essay is written by Valerie Shang and is serving as a summary for article titled Prepare for an L-Shaped Recovery by Chucky Sang and Aung Suan Yi, dated 30th May 2020, Straits Time. Sentences are taken out from the original news article as references to this essay. For those references used, Valerie Shang gives full credit to their original creators. Singapore's circuit breaker is going to end soon. It means the Lion City will wake up gradually in 2 stages. For the first stage, only selected businesses will resume back to operation, while for the second stage, the rest of businesses will reopen their doors. It took Singapore 2 months to reach this stage. Many people will wonder, what's the next? This article has provided an answer. In agreement with the majority of the public, authors describe the phase 1 of post-circuit breaker measures as a mere extension of the circuit breaker. It is like from tsunami to big waves, and now we are approaching the big wave stage. Author warned us that we must be mentally prepared for second wave, or perhaps multiple waves for the foreseeable future. Even in a scenario where we do not report any new cases for a 2-week stretch, even we take preemptive measures among high-risk communities, the probability of subsequent waves is still very high. Based on this belief, author described the recovery journey of Singapore's economy will be a U-shape, with a wide flat part of U spreading over many months, rather than what most people have thought, it is a V-shaped recovery. Similarly, the road from vaccine discovery to successful global implementation is also likely to be a long one, and there are many factors affecting the speed of this process. If any of those factors goes wrong, Singapore's economy's recovery shape may become a L shape. Authors noted on the extent of negative impact on economy if Singapore's economy falls in L shape, but encourage us to take at the bright side of it. Both authors pointed out that many people around the world are likely to question the value of free market capitalist model and appreciate a more balanced system of slower growth but better health. And with this pandemic, social and health services are going to be seen as investments rather than liabilities. I totally agree with author's point of view. This pandemic has revealed our weaknesses as a nation. It showed us areas where we need to improve and be more prepared with. We have been focusing on driving the economic development all along for Singapore. We worship capitalism and free market because they make GDP grow and people rich. We rely heavily on foreign labor and voluntary organizations for less income-generating industries, such as healthcare. For most of the times, we tend to overestimate the value of wealth over health. As per what the authors had stated in their article, we need to redefine what is of value and find the right balance between wealth and health. At the last, author called on public to move beyond craving for our old way of living and longing for a definitive end to circuit breaker measures, and more active, positive outlook to adapt. Indeed, it is going to be an uphill battle. Singapore, let's reach for the victory.